there? Nope. You're not getting me. You're not getting me.
What are you doing, Elvis?
Crazy bunny. You crazy bunny.
What's he doing?
So I didn't even think about it.
I love you too.
I didn't. Zeus, see. You don't want some pets. I want to give you pets.
It was like,
Somebody's
no.
trying to get me.
What are you doing?
Look at pets. Oh,
What's he doing? Oh.
get that love. Get that love. No. I'm not getting in the middle of that bird fight.
Where's Abby? Where is Abby? Where is he? Where'd he go? They're like, Daddy, where are you? Who's that? You better go over there. Hello. What was that? Well, better go get him. You coming this way? Okay. There's Elvis. Elvis is looking.
What are you doing?
Oh, there he is. Where'd he go?
What are you doing?
Here comes Zeus. Zeus is like, I'm coming.
What? You're so bad. Get some Zeusy pets. Nope. I know you. Hello. I know you'll fly on me and bite me. I want just to pet my baby. Oh, look at that baby. Oh, nope.
Where do boo? He's like, I'm coming for you. Who is that? Is that Daddy?
It's a chicken. Let me pet Zeus.
That's the bunny.
I don't trust you, Elvis. I don't trust you.
Yeah, I don't know why. It's so sweet.
Oh, it's a baby. Yes,
Oh.
yes. Oh, clicky that tongue. Oh, it's daddy's boy. Yes. Oh. He loves the head sketches. Yes, it does.
Oh, here it comes.
Oh, shoot. I mean, it's possible Elvis is wanting head scratches too, but
Yeah, you can't trust him though.
no. His body
Hey, look,
language-
I'm in Zeus's place now. See? Where is Abby?